Let me tell you something strange. There are people who can afford a Pagani, and then there are people who are allowed to own one. Because buying a Pagani Huayra isn't a normal purchase. It's not a flex. It's not even a reward. It's a judgment. And today, I'll explain why owning a Pagani Huayra might be the most expensive thing in the world, even after you've already paid for the car. On paper, a Pagani Huayra costs millions, $3, $4, sometimes $5 million. That number shocks most people. But here's the truth, that money is the smallest part of the cost. Because when you buy a Huayra, you're not paying for speed, you're paying for obedience. Obedience to a philosophy, obedience to Horatio Pagani's vision, and obedience to rules that don't exist for any other car brand. Look at the Huayra carefully. This car doesn't look aggressive. It doesn't try to scare you. It looks intelligent. The body doesn't have sharp, angry lines. It flows, like liquid metal captured in motion. Every curve feels intentional. Every surface feels finished by human hands, not software. And those active aerodynamic flaps, they don't exist for drama. They move constantly, silently, adjusting in real time, like the car is breathing. Most supercars beg for attention. The Huayra doesn't ask. It assumes you'll understand. Now step inside and forget everything you think luxury means. There are no oversized screens screaming for attention, no fake textures pretending to be premium. Every switch you touch is metal, cold, heavy, precise. Each dial clicks with resistance like a mechanical watch. Even the air vents are carved from solid aluminum, not stamped, not molded, machined. This interior doesn't age, it develops character. You don't sit inside a Huayra, you settle into it. Here's the part most people never hear about. Pagani doesn't want everyone's money, they want alignment. You don't walk into a dealership and order a Huayra, you apply. Your car history is checked, your behavior is observed, your intentions are evaluated. If you flip cars for profit, Pagani notices. If you disrespect the brand, Pagani remembers. Because once your name is attached to a Pagani, you represent them. This is not ownership, this is responsibility. Yes, the Huayra has a Mercedes-AMG twin-turbo V12. Yes, it makes insane power, but the numbers don't matter here. What matters is how it feels. The power delivery is smooth, predictable, human. This engine doesn't chase lap records, it responds to emotion. It doesn't overwhelm you, it communicates with you. Owning a Huayra changes how you live with cars. You don't fully choose the specification, you collaborate. You don't service it anywhere, you wait. You don't modify it, ever. Because this car isn't meant to be improved, it's meant to be preserved. Many Pagani owners say the same thing. After owning a Pagani, other cars stop feeling special. Not because they're slow, not because they're cheap, but because they feel empty. The Huayra doesn't try to impress you, it expects you to rise to it. So why is owning a Pagani Huayra the most expensive thing in the world? Because the cost doesn't end with money. It costs discipline, it costs restraint, it costs reputation. And once you're in, there's no going back. You don't own a Pagani Huayra, you become part of it.